Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to turn this crane into a dolly. As you can see, the bottom part can be used as a dolly and the top part as a crane. But the bottom section, as you can see here, is adjustable, so it's a void. So we're basically gonna put these metal bars in and weld it. So here is the metal bar I decided to use for this. I picked this up at Home Depot, and yeah, had to cut it to size because they were longer. And yeah, let's get started.
That's good.
This is my first time welding, so this is going to be an interesting experience. I picked up this MECPOW MMA 120 amps from the marketplace, and it didn't even come with the soldering handle. That's why I had to improvise with the red wire. It's also an opportunity for me to test my portable DC to AC power supply. This is a portable solar generator I built on this channel. I will leave the video on the top right if you want to check it out. So I picked up some metal rods, a wire brush, and a welding mask. And here are the metal bars cut to size, ready to go. I also had to grind the pan off where the metal bars were going to be soldered to ensure that it sticks well. Then I lined up the flat bars, ready to fire it up. Alright, so I turned on my generator, then the welder, and the welder goes from 26 amps all the way up to 120 amps. Let's go ahead and clamp the negative terminal onto the grinded spot. I will set the welder to 60 amps for now, and then we will give it a try. And as you can see, the welding handle was improvised since my welder didn't come with one. I got it used, but as always, safety first. So I'm gonna put on my mask, and right here I'm trying to strike it, and as you can see, 60 amps were not enough. So I raised the current to 90 amps, and I still had the same problems. And also 105 amps, same issue, keep striking but not welding. So I had to go full power, 119 amps, technically 120. I kept going, and all of a sudden it started working. As you can see, I was really happy, but still my first time, so these are not gonna be some pretty joints. And if you check on the energy meter, you can see that it pulls sometimes over 2600 watts. At the time, I was wondering if my battery system was gonna handle it because I was using a not so great battery system, but I kept going regardless. So a few strikes in, and then I had a power cutoff, as you can see here. So no worries here, nothing was broken. I just had to reset it, turn it back on, and everything was back to normal. A few times it got frustrating as the welding rods will just get stuck. The tip will just glow, and I will have to wiggle it around to disconnect it. And just like that, the welding rod is ruined. Good thing I had a whole box of them.
That's good.
Alright guys, now you have to promise that you're not gonna laugh at my welding joints. Here it is. Probably the worst welding joints you have ever seen, but this is what I was able to pull off. At least this was the first one, so it has to be the worst. As I kept going, I got better and better at it, and here it is. Some of them have a lot of burn. I don't know what that means. Some of them better than others, but as you can see, for first time doing it and on a DIY portable power supply, it's not so bad. I'm pretty sure that on my next time I will do a better job, but this is what I was able to accomplish. And let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, but I did end up with a Dolly in the end, so it wasn't so bad. So as you can see, I ended up wasting a lot of rods, but for a start I think it's not too bad. I didn't mind losing these just to get a hang of it, even though I'm still bad at it, but I think I will improve as I go. So yeah, it was a first start and I will improve from here. I think that the required power to really keep the device working correctly also affected the quality of the weld, because it keeps sticking, and the second it strikes, it's good to go, as you can see here. Alright, now I have a dolly ready to be used. Let me know in the comment section if you have any welding tips, and if you have any questions. Thank you for watching guys. I will see you in the next video.